Hi friends, now I'm going to quickly tell you and show you how to convert PDF to Word file correctly. We are going to convert this file. As you can see, there is a table of contents and some text on one page. And so, to convert a PDF file to a Word file, we need to go to the site, cloudconvert.com. You can write the URL directly in the browser bar or search for it. This service is absolutely free and time-tested. Then at the top of the site, we choose the files we want to convert. As you can see, there is a huge choice of file extensions. You can find PDF in the Documents tab or use the search. Personally, that's what I'm going to do. We write PDF in the search, select it, and in the second window, the site automatically offers us all possible conversion options. We choose the format docx, not to be confused with doc. Doc is an old format from Microsoft 2003 programs. Now we need to upload our PDF file. Click on this red button and select the file. You can also just drag and drop your file onto this button and it will work the same way. Everything is ready to convert. Click on the button. Convert. Wait a while for our PDF file to be uploaded to the site and converted to Word docs. Great. Done. Click on the green download button. Here is our downloaded file. Let's open it and take a look. As you can see, everything works fine. If this video was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck to you.